After last adjustment, he felt good for 2 to 3 weeks, and then he kind of starts feeling it creep up again. All right, give yourself a hug. When I tell you to, I want you to tuck your chin down, okay? Let's try to get right here. So we're bringing the arms down, trying to create a good angle here. Chin down. Oh, very nice. There you go. Changed it up a little bit there. How many times have I treated you? 5? 4?
4 or 5 times.
Okay. Good. That first one, good. Second one, eh. Third one, really good. Yeah, it's starting to kind of free up a little bit, yeah.
It only took freaking forever.
Hey, good things take time, you know?
Yeah.
Just like your golf game.
Lack thereof.
All right. Do you watch any of the major tournaments?
Oh, yeah.
Isn't the Open going on?
I watch actually the women's more than the men's.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Is it more competitive?
I think it's so much more skill related.
That's all women's sports.
Yeah.
If you watch like soccer or something, they've all like really, really mastered the basics.
Right. Which you absolutely need in golf.
Exactly. Yeah. That was like the hardest part about my game. It was like distance control. I couldn't like look at a club and be like, yeah, that's going to go this far.
I know exactly what you mean.
Yeah, it's just like, I don't know what club to use for how far I am. That was like the hardest part.
My 5's like that right now.
Oh, my 5 is my favorite iron, actually.
I really like it too, but then it goes...
I can't go lower than that, though. I can't even use a hybrid or a wood. If I'm like 260 out, I still use a 5 iron and just lay up. Oh, yeah. That was nice.
Yeah, but my 5 goes from like 175 to like 2. You know?
Yeah, that's not good. So if you hit it perfect, is it 2 or is that when you thin it?
If I nut it, I'm hitting 2.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's not good.
Yeah.
Good. All right, so we open his spine up a little bit.
That felt really good.
Yeah, that was good. Let's do a little drop table here. Lower thoracic. Upper lumbar here. Good. Very good. Just hit the left side sacrum. Good. Playing solo or?
No. Roommate and his cousin
Oh yeah.
doing a threesome today.
Little threesome.
Yeah, that sounded really bad
Yeah, it
as
did.
soon as I said it.
3 guys, threesome. Sounds awesome. Did you see that golf fight that went viral?
Oh my god.
Did you see him apologize?
No, I didn't see that part.
Oh my god, it's so funny. He totally just put his face to the camera and owned it. Go home.
Yeah.
Might as well just go to the bar at that point. Right around C7 here.
Ooh.
Good. Same thing, maybe a little lower, like T1. Down. Lift up again. There we go. Okay, so a little bit on the lower neck. Then we're gonna set it up on his cheek. For science. Is that okay in the cheeks? Okay. Yeah, so I'm feeling the angles here, and it's just freaking blocked like right in there. Good. Yeah. So we'll just unblock it. Yeah. It's crazy. He had like neck surgery and stuff, and we can still do all that. The body's weird. Now he's gonna go play golf. And he's gonna kill it. He just does a lot better when the vectors are that way, pulling it apart. And I know a lot of you watching are the same. You're like, wow, that'll probably do it.
Yes,
Come on
sir.
up. It did it for me, that's why I do it. Nice. Yeah, now he can see the light.
Yeah, everything's a little bit brighter.
Do I look like Jesus? Hey everyone, if you made it this far, I just want to say thank you for watching our weekly video. And if you have any questions about chiropractic care in general, just leave a comment, let me know. Or if you have any video ideas you want me to do, drop it down in the comments. If you made it this far and you're not subscribed, come on, it's free. Can you please just click it? It really helps. Have a good day.